Good evening. In every state we have an assembly, and in some of the states, rather few states, we also have the second house, and it is called Legislative Council. When it comes to the assembly members are called MLAs, members of legislative assemblies, and these are the members who are elected directly by the people. And as far as our discussion for today is concerned, whether an MLA can be disqualified after election. What the constitution is saying? Constitution is permitting for the disqualification of an MLA. But the point is that who is empowered to disqualify an MLA, meaning a member of legislative assembly. Regarding that, we are going to discuss. But before that one, I would like to show you one question. Kindly look at the question, then we'll go ahead. Here is the question. Who of the following is empowered to disqualify a member of legislative assembly? President? No. Prime Minister? No. Chief Minister? No. But option C, that is Governor. Governor is empowered to disqualify an MLA. What are the reasons? The reasons are very much mentioned in the Constitution. And what are these reasons? What is the article that I am going to show you now? But before that one, I would like to tell you one thing. The same Constitution which is permitting for the disqualification of an MLA by the governor, but the Constitution is mandating that the governor has to go by the advice of the Election Commission. That is the reason why whenever the governor receives any issue, any complaint with respect to disqualification of a member of assembly, the governor refers the matter to the Election Commission. Election Commission will conduct an inquiry, and Election Commission will advise the governor of the concerned state. Depending on that one, the governor may disqualify the concerned member of the legislative assembly. Kindly have a look at this one. I would like to show you the rest of the points here. Here it is. First of all, look at the question once. And as far as this question is concerned, option C is the correct answer. Look at this. Article 191 is mentioning about the disqualification of a membership. Alright? So governor may disqualify if that person holds any office of profit under the government of India or government of states, or if he is found of unsound mind, or if he is an undischarged insolvent. Please remember, all these are mentioned under Article 191 of the Constitution. Should not hold office of profit, if the person is unsound mind, if the person is undischarged insolvent, if the person is not a citizen of India, or if so disqualified by or under any law made by the Parliament. Even in those cases also, an MLA can be disqualified. And I would like to tell you one thing. The same article is also mentioning about the disqualification of the members of the legislative councils in those states where we have the legislative councils. Very important one. And when it comes to, the Article 192, Article 191 is mentioning about the grounds on which an MLA or an MLC can be disqualified. But Article 192 is mentioning about the who can take the decision. Very, 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 very important one with respect to the above disqualifications that are mentioned. Right? The question shall be referred for the decision of the governor. For the decision of the governor, and the governor's decision shall be final. But where is the Election Commission is coming into picture? Look at Article 192 Clause 2. Very important one. Article 192 clause 1 is mentioning that the decision of the governor shall be final. But Article 192 clause 2 is mentioning before giving any decision on any such question, the governor shall, meaning before the governor takes a decision, governor shall, meaning compulsorily, obtain the opinion of the election commission and shall act according to such opinion. Very, 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 very important one, meaning without referring the matter to the election commission of India, governor cannot take a decision. Only after obtaining the opinion of the election commission, whatever the decision that is taken by the governor, that decision shall be final. Very, 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 very important one. It happens in many states. And kindly remember this particular these points along with the number of articles. And these type of questions may also be asked in the main examination. In the main examination, when you are writing the descriptive type of answer, try to incorporate article numbers along with the clauses. That will give you the weightage to your answer and will be securing more marks. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next session.